how to fix GTA 5 stock installation stock, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. Type here background apps, click on it, and then just make sure to turn off background apps and go back, and then type here Windows updates, type check for updates and click on it. Now just click check for updates and wait for it, and if you find an update, just install it and then go back, and then just close all the applications that you don't need here, like Discord. Right click and the last option, and also OBS and all of those, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.